What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Natalie. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today we're doing Christmas photos. You guys are gonna follow along on this journey. So, you know what? Let me go put some clothes on because there's gonna be a lot of movement back there and I ain't got no pants on, just a shirt. I decided to just throw on a cute little casual outfit while I do this. Okay, last year I did my own Christmas, like every year. Like if I could do it, I'm gonna do it. Like, your girl got skills. Y'all know that I do photography, right? Yeah, I'm sure y'all do. I gotta do my makeup and everything before I go pick up my daughter. Let's do this. Matter of fact, I need to put you guys on a tripod. Oh, there's one right here. Duh. If you may or may not know, I do photography on the side. Normally when someone asks, if someone knows that I do photography, they'll normally ask me, hey, you still doing photography? And it's like, yeah, I am. Last year I did it in the garage, but being that I have more equipment in the garage right now, it wouldn't be ideal to do so. That means I have to move everything around. So we're gonna do it in the living room. These are my backdrop stuff. I already have the actual backdrop downstairs. And I think I'm gonna do flash. Yeah, I'm gonna do flash. Should I? I think it's too much. No, I'm just gonna do I'm gonna just do one flash. It's gonna be the Godox Flash. So all of these can be, I'm probably gonna try to, you know what? I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront. I have to update everything because I don't think a lot of the stuff that I have is linked or updated in there. So I'm gonna update it. So by the time you guys see this video, everything should be updated. So I'm trying to think. I think I wanna use my other flash. Let's just bring these things down first, okay? Let's just do that first. So this is where I'm gonna set up the backdrop. So let's go ahead and get this built. Let's go ahead and put, I don't know. I think I may have took a picture with this back in like 2020. If I can find an image, I'll put it. But it's gonna come out a lot better now. I think back in like 2020 or 2021, we rushed. So with this one, it's gonna come out nice. All right, let's see if we can do this. This is a 2-person job right here. Oh, this is short. I gotta bring this down, which is fine. All right, this is really short. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring this really, really down. And then I'm gonna have a flooring. It looks good, right? Should I steam it? Yeah, I should steam it. All right, we're gonna bring her down. It needs to be up a little. So yeah, like about right there. It needs to be like right there. And now it's lopsided. Is this straight? What y'all think? No, it's not. This is a little too high. All right. We're gonna use this flooring, which I think blends really well with this background. Yeah. Oh, I gotta turn this. Let's move this way. And of course, I'm using my Reliable. I don't want to say old Reliable because she is still indeed that girl. I think I may need a new SD card. Oh, look. Just last year. This is the old background. This is last year's background. And this is the last vlog I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything, right? Yeah, I can actually go ahead and format this card. I moved it more on this side because I need to be able to have the camera set up, and there is no way for me to set the camera up in this area because of the island. So I could put the camera up right here and it should be able to catch multiple pictures, which should be nice. If I need to, I could possibly move the Christmas tree a little further up, but I can actually add more of this here. I don't want to like move this too much, but you know what I mean? Just add little pillows here to kind of like, you know what I mean? And then it gives us more space. And then I'll just Photoshop the areas that shows more of the thing, but yeah. I'm so happy. I love taking Christmas photos. You wouldn't think so because I never printed them out. I should. That way I have an album full of like holiday pictures. Let me go steam it. I don't know if I showed you guys I added pillows to make it a little bit more cozier. I'm not sure if my sister was able to do my daughter's hair just yet, but if not, it's fine because my husband's coming home towards the evening anyway. So it gives me enough time to feed her and do her hair while she's in the high chair. But there's no way I'm gonna be able to do my makeup. So I gotta do my makeup right before I pick her up. You know, it makes it a lot easier. That way, once hubby comes home, we on go. I showed you guys multiple ways on how to do makeup. But so I'm about to do probably a full glam. Yeah, I'll do a full glam, but you guys have already seen how I do my makeup. So once I'm done, I'll show you guys. This is how the makeup looks. Today I used the Dior foundation. I haven't used that in a while. So let's take these out. My sister haven't done my daughter's hair, so I'll probably just go pick her up and just do it myself. Quite honestly, I don't know why I'm taking this out. I could have just kept it curled until time. Whatever. Yeah, I found my bigger Velvet Teddy lipstick. The formula has changed for sure. Like whatever they did within the last couple of years to Velvet Teddy compared to like few years ago, it's definitely changed. Definitely. I've seen a couple people say that when it comes to these overnight curls, the curls don't last. If you're using this method, it does. It does. Because the other method, I can understand why people say that, because when you uncurl it, like it gives you that volume, but it really doesn't last. Like you really have to drench it in holding spray in order for it to last. So yeah, so I think I'm not even gonna comb it out yet. I'm gonna wait until I get home, well, after picking her up, because I really just want a few pictures. Like I don't want to go overboard. Yeah, I don't want to go overboard. So these, this is gonna come out so good. Oh, did I show you guys the pajamas? I'm gonna put the pajamas downstairs. I will say this, whenever you are curling your hair, you can either use the Moroccan oil, but my favorite is the Garnier Fructis because it just helps with anti-freeze. So you ain't gotta worry about, you know, it frizzing up or like those flyaways, too many flyaways. Like flyaways are gonna happen, but you know what I mean? Okay. So I just want to like put this down because you can kind of see the thing, but ooh, my hair gonna eat tomorrow. So by the time we get home, we'll have like 3 hours to get ready. Yeah, about 3 hours. I need to clean off the floor to my room for my niece tomorrow. See what I mean? Yeah, and if you want, normally I'll go in with this, the holding spray before the Fructis, but you can add in the spray. Don't be afraid of adding a lot of holding spray. See what I mean? Yep, yep. Oh, let me show you guys the pajamas. Go ahead and comb it out just a tad bit. See, when you comb it out, it gives it a little bit more volume. See? Trying to see what jewelry to wear. I was gonna do gold, but I feel like silver would be a lot better. Oh, let me show you guys. We're going with this pattern. I think I showed you. We're going with this pattern this year. We got these from Target. And the only thing I messed up on is I didn't get myself a shirt. So I don't have long sleeve, which sucks. I'll probably end up with like a tank top or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Or maybe a regular shirt. Yeah, a regular shirt would be fine. Just put a regular shirt on. Are you a matching pajamas type of couple? Or like, do you guys like to dress up and for Christmas for photo shoots? If you guys do photo shoots, is it more of a dress up occasion or matching pajamas? Because I'm a matching pajamas. Ow, that pinched me. Elsies. Yeah, I don't. Oh man, did I break it? I did. Oh. Oh man. Yeah, I'm a matching pajama girly. I don't have time for that extraness with dressing up. I don't be feeling like doing all that. My sister was not able to do her hair, so which is okay because I kind of already mentally prepared for me to do it. I had asked her last night to see if only if she had time, so I told her only if you have time, if you can, do her hair for me, please. Oh, let me go and charge my camera battery, and then we should be able to go. And I'm using this Joelkin tripod. This is a good tripod. You just gotta learn how to use it. I feel like tripods should be simple, but this one really isn't simple. I was gonna charge my batteries, but I'm like, whatever, it should be okay. And then we're going in with the Godox. Okay, this is charged. Well, all the lights have to turn off. Well, like maybe this light. Let's see. Yeah, this light could be on. If I put it here, yeah, this light could be on because it gives it more. And then if I turn on, well, when the Christmas light come on, it'd be nice too. But okay, I think I have an idea. Again, well, all we need is just a few images, and we should be okay. All right, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, we are back home. She is not gonna like me doing her hair right now. She's already moved her head, child. I gotta do it. I don't even know how I want to do it. I like to look on TikTok to see what I should do. Because last year she had like a little fro. Probably something like this. Yeah, probably something like that. I love when she's in pigtails. It's so cute. She is not gonna like me right now, child. Watch what happens. I gotta do your hair. I'll be back. How do you like your hair? Let me show you her hair because she ain't gonna show y'all. Little pigtail, so cute. So we got a short period of time. It's 7 o'clock. So I'm about to get dressed and we're gonna get started. Oh shoot, you guys are dying. All right, let me charge y'all and then change and all that stuff. you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the photo shoot with my little family. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Toodaloo.